we are giving a sum for homework. The exercise 1.1 sixth sum. Today we will discuss the seventh sum. Evaluate 3 by 5 plus 7 by 3 plus minus 2 by 5 plus minus 2 by 3 after rearrangement. After rearrangement. Here the given we are rearranged. First 3 plus 7 by 3 plus minus 2 by 5 plus minus 2 by 3. Here see the denominator. Here 5 is there and here 5 is there. So we will write these two values at one time, and 7 by 3 minus 2 by 3. 3 by 5 plus minus 2 by 5, and next two values is 7 by 3 plus minus 2 by 3. Now take the LCM for the two values. Here 5, 5. Both values are 5. So LCM is 5. The numerator values are 3 plus into minus, minus 2. Plus here LCM is 3. The numerators are 7 plus into minus, minus 2. 7 minus 2. 3 minus 2. 1 by 5 plus 7 minus 2. 5 by 3. Take LCM. 5 3s are 15. 5 divides 15 into 3 times. 3 1s are 3. Plus 3 divides 15 5 times. 5 5s are 25. That is equal to 28 by 15. 15. And eighth one. First one, 3 by 4 from 1 by 3. From 3 by 4 from 1 by 3. First one, 3 by 4 from 1 by 3. 3 by 4 is subtracted from 1 by 3. So solution is 4 from 1 by 3 is equal to 1 by 3 minus 3 by 4. Take LCM. 3 4s are 12. 3 divides 12 into 4 times. 4 1s are 4 minus 3 3s are 9. 4 minus 9. That is equal to minus 5 by 12. That is equal to minus 5 by 12. And second one is minus 32 by 13. Minus by 13 from 2. From 2. Minus 2 by 13 equal to 2 minus of minus 32 by 13. Subtracting this value. This value means here the value 2 minus. This value means minus 32 by 13. Minus into minus plus. That is equal to 2 plus 32 by 13. Take LCM. LCM is 13. Take LCM. LCM is 13. 13 2s are 26. Plus 2. Now we are adding these two values. 26 plus 32. 13. 58 by 13. And third one is minus 7 from minus 4 by 7. 7. Solution is minus from minus 4 by 7 is equal to minus 4 by 7 minus of minus 7. That is equal to minus 4 by 7 minus into minus plus 7. Take LCM. LCM is 7. 7 divided 7 one time. 1 into minus 4 plus 7. 7s are 49. 49 minus 4. 45 by 7. 45 by 7. Next, ninth one is 9. What should be added to? What should be added to minus 5 by 8? Minus 8. So as to get minus 3 by 2. Minus 2. Minus 3 by 2 question mark. See that? What number should be added to? What number should be added to minus 5 by 8? Which number is added to this number? We get the number. Solution is let equal to x. Let the number is equal to x. Now, here the given sum is what number should be added to minus 5 by 8. So, given that minus 8 plus added number means here the number we are taking as x. X is equal to get the number is minus 3 by 2. The value is minus 3 by 2. So now we are subtracting this value. That means we are transpose this value. X is equal to minus 3 by 2. Minus value is transposing that. It changes to plus 5 by 8. LCM is LCM of 2, 8. 2 table, 2 1s, 2 4s. We are taking 4 table, 4 1s, 4 1s. 2 4s are 8. So LCM is 8. 2 divides 8 into 4 times. 4 3s are minus 12. Plus 8 divides 8 one time. 1 5s are 5. Minus 12 plus 5. Minus 7 by 8. 7 by 8. Therefore, the value is x. The last step is what number should be added. Therefore, the added number is we are taking as x. X value is minus 7 by 8. Therefore, equal to minus 7 by 8. The added number is equal to minus 7 by 8. Next one. The sum two rational number is the sum of rational numbers is the sum of rational numbers is 8. If one of the number is minus 5 by 6, by 6, find other. The sum of two rational numbers is 8. We are adding the two numbers. The sum is 8. And if one of the number is minus 5 by 6, one of the number is minus 5 by 6, we'll find the second number. Given 1 is minus 5 by 6. One number is equal to minus 5 by 6. Let other number is equal to x. Because of two numbers is 8. Sum of two numbers is 8. So first number is minus 5 by 6 and the second number we are taking as x. Given that two numbers is equal to 8. That means adding these two numbers. Minus 5 by 6 plus x is equal to 8. Here first value is minus 5 by 6. Now we are transposing the value. Negative value changes to positive. 8 plus 5 by 6. 48 plus 2 add 6 one time 1 into 5 is equal to 5. X is equal to 48 plus 5. 50. Value is 53 by 6. Last step is equal to 53 by 6. And 11th one associative in rational number. Associative for rational number. Associative for rational number. Explain with an example. with example. Example, associative means we are taking the values, three values, A, B, C. A, B, C. Associative means in addition, A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. Here subtraction are there. So, A minus B minus C is equal to A minus B minus C. Let A comma B comma C belongs to rational number Q. Rational number Q. The associative property A minus B minus C is equal to A minus B minus C. A minus B minus C is equal to A minus B minus C. This is the associative property. Explain with an example. Explain with an example. Example. Equal to 1, B is equal to 3 and C is equal to 7. I am taking A is equal to 1, B is equal to 3 and C is equal to 7. A minus LHS value A minus B minus C is equal to, substituting the values, 1 minus B, 3 minus 7 that is equal to 1 minus 3 minus 7 is minus 4, minus into minus, plus 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. 1 plus 4 is equal to 5 and RHS A minus B minus C, that is equal to, here substituting the values, 1 minus 3 minus 7, 1 minus 3 means minus 2, minus 7 that is equal to minus 9. These two values are not equal. First value is 5, second value is minus 9. So these two values are not equal. Therefore, LHS not to RHS. LHS not equal to RHS. Therefore, subtraction is associative. Not associative for rational number. For rational number. Rational number. Next one is, 12th one is, verify that minus of minus x is equal to x for first one is x is equal to 2 by 15. X is equal to 2 by 15. X is equal to 2 by 15. Solution. X is equal to 2 by 15 minus x is equal to, that means we are taking a minus symbol. So here the value is minus 2 by 15 and given value is minus of minus x. That means minus of minus x is equal to minus of minus x is equal to minus 2 by 15. That is equal to minus into minus plus 2 by 15. 2 by 15 is equal to the value is equal to x. Therefore, minus of minus x is equal to x. And next, second one is minus 13 by 17. X is equal to minus 13 by 17. Solution x is equal to minus 13 by 17. Minus x is equal to we are taking the symbol minus as first. Minus of x means minus 13 by 17. Minus into minus plus 13 by 17. We will find the value of minus x. Minus of minus x is equal to minus of minus x is equal to 13 by 17. That is equal to minus 13 by 17. Minus 13 by 17 is equal to x. Therefore, minus of minus x is equal to x. Minus of minus x is equal to x. Hence, it is verified. Hence, it is verified. Hence, it is verified. And next one, 13th sum. Write first one is the set of numbers. First one is the set of numbers. The set of numbers which do not have any inverse. Additive identity. Additive identity. Means the zero is the additive identity. Zero is the additive identity. The set of numbers. Set of numbers means natural number or whole number, integer, rational number. The type of numbers which do not have additive identity. That means they do not have zero. So the answer is natural numbers do not have any identity. They start with zero. Integers having zero. Rational numbers having zero. But natural numbers do not have zero. So answer is natural number. Second one, the rational number. That not have not have any reciprocal. Does not reciprocal. Reciprocal. 2 by 3 is a fraction. The reciprocal is 3 by 2. That means the reverse value. And also 5 is any number, any integer or any rational number. Reciprocal is 1 by 5. So the question is the rational number. That means which rational number does not have any reciprocal. Does not have any reciprocal. Answer is 0. 0 does not have any any reciprocal. Any reciprocal. That means 1 by 0 does not defined. It does not defined. So 0 does not have any reciprocal. And next, third one is the negative rational number. Any negative rational number. Reciprocal negative number. That means minus 2 by 3 is, so that means minus 3 by 2. Reciprocal of minus 5, that means 1 by minus 5, that is equal to minus 1 by 5. That means these numbers are negative. Numbers are negative. So reciprocal of any negative rational number is negative value.